Hi, welcome to the Infotech. Today we are going to see how to add Bootstrap style in Angular 17. Yesterday we already created one Angular application, new application. That name is demo app. That one already we added in Visual Studio Code. So now I'm going to give command for adding npm. I'm giving Bootstrap Facebook version. So I'm giving at the rate 5.1.3. Yeah. See, now Bootstrap is added in our Angular application. So I'm going to find that directory. Yeah, Bootstrap. Inside that, dist css. Copy relative path. This one I'm going to paste inside Angular JSON file. In this, we need to paste under styles. Yeah, now I added. I'm going to add a script file also for performing button and menu. Those all things we need JS file. So same directory only we have. So I'm copying above one. Instead of CSS, I'm just replacing JS. JS inside bootstrap dot bundle dot min dot JS. Yeah, now we added successfully bootstrap style. Now we are going to check this one is working or not. So hyphen I'm given testing purpose. I'm adding one button class equal to yeah. Now I added button class button hyphen primary. Now I'm going to give ngserver hyphen 1. Yeah, now our application is completed. I'm going to check in browser. Yeah, see now that bootstrap style is appending, we can check out using view source also. In view source style.css default it will came. So in this, say bootstrap.min.css will be added in our application. Next lecture we are going to see how to add data table, Angular data table in Angular 17. Thanks.